guys! Welcome to my wedding!
You know me, I'm all about my business. No apologies. I run a lot fitness. Can't believe.
So what's up guys? For the day is the day. Karungan lang ako. Uy! Eh, wala yung vlog niba?
Look good, smell good, it's a vibe. It's a rocks on my wrist, it's about that time. Gotta go big, cause I got that. Gotta go big, cause I got one life. I'm feeling good.
Ang kaminyoon, usa kini ka illustration. Ang prinsipyo sa panag-uyunay sa bana o asawa, mao ang pagpasako o sa paghigugmay.
Ayaw nang una, konday ko DJ ko sa radyo. Then, anak ko kailangan DJ po, nag-guest siya dito. Gi-introduce siya nga vlogger siya. Muto, pagkabalo na ko vlogger, gitanaw na ko ang vlog. Pagka ugma-ugma, nag-chat siya sa kuha.
Ronald o Grace, kay kanunay na akong ginasulti ang kaminyoon, dili ni sulbad sa problema. Kung dili, nagasugod ka mo sa walay katapusang problema.
Kung unsa takaligon karon, musamot pa takaligon kon. Isentro binato ang Ginoo kanunay kay aron atong pamuyo hapsay. Love kayo tika. I love you sa way duha-duha.
Nganong gibuhat niya, nganong nagsakripisyo siya tungod na sa iyahang gugma. Muna nga ang gugma, Ronald, kana nga gugma andam ta sa pagsakripisyo aron ato ang ipakita, ipabati nga to kay Grace. Gud anay nga imong gihugma.
Kabalujud ka kung unsa ko kabalujud ko kung unsa ka faithful. Kay bisan sa ka busy, giuna gid nimo ang Ginoo permi.
You are the force that calms the storm inside me. Castle walls that stand around me. All this time my guardian was you.
Promise, ikaw, ragyod, wala, nailain, ang aking iibigin. I love you.
And it's always been you. Who stood with me in the fire? It was you. It was always you who pulled me out of the water. It was you. It was always you and who carried me on their shoulders. It was you. I know it's you.
Promises sa iya nga kanang maging mabuting asawa ko para sa among mga anak, alagaan na kog mayo ang mga anak si Liam. Kay mao gina ang pinaka blessings ng gihatag sa mo. And love kay tika. I love you so much.
You are the light that shines in every tunnel. There in the past, you'll be that tomorrow, all my life your love was breaking through. It's always been you, and it's always been you. It's always been you. It's always been you. It's always been you.